Dreaming of your next getaway but your wallet's feeling a little light? Unlock the secret to travel savings with your RBC Avion Rewards points. And let's turn those points into plane tickets and hotel stays. First, head over to the RBC Avion Rewards website. You can find the link conveniently placed in the description box below. Log in securely using your RBC online banking credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of redemption options. We're focusing on travel today, so click on the Travel tab and then select Book Travel with Points. Now, you'll be directed to the Avion Rewards travel booking tool. It works just like any other travel website. Enter your departure city, your destination, your desired travel dates, and the number of travelers. The system will display available flights, showing both the cash price and the Avion points required. Pay close attention to compare options and choose the flights that give you the best point value. Aim for at least 1 cent per point. Hotels are just as easy. Use the search filters to find hotels that fit your budget and preferences, whether you're looking for a budget-friendly stay or luxurious accommodations. Once you've chosen your flights or hotel, review your booking details carefully. You'll see a breakdown of how many points will be redeemed and any remaining balance you might need to pay with your RBC card. Confirm your booking, pack your bags, and get ready for your adventure. Redeeming your RBC Avion Rewards points for travel is a smart way to make your travel dreams a reality without breaking the bank. Happy travels!